All right, if you're looking for some really great options for swaddling baby, in this video, I'm going to share with you two options that are working really well for our family. I purchased both of these online and I share links in the description below for where you can purchase those. Everything I share are affiliate links, which help support my channel. So shopping with my affiliate links is a way to support my channel at no additional cost to you. So thank you so much if you found this review helpful. And I also share a lot of other baby gear reviews on my channel and on my Amazon storefront. So be sure to check those out. So the two swaddling blankets that I'm sharing with you right now are really great options. They're all cotton and there's two main differences. So this one came in a pack. I want to say it's either 10 or 12. Don't quote me on that, but it was definitely a large number and it wasn't very expensive. These are really soft, but also breathable cotton. They've washed really well. This is a blanket that's already gone through the wash and it's held up really nicely. These are really soft and have been really great option for swaddling a newborn. But I am going to say that for me personally, swaddling a baby in something that's just a basic piece of cloth like this, it doesn't always work out and the baby kind of ends up kicking their way out of it. And I find myself having to re-swaddle and it just gets kind of annoying. And another problem with this is that depending on how you swaddle the baby, if you need to check their diaper, then you might end up having to unswaddle them just to check their diaper. So I don't really particularly like that. So what I did do is I went ahead and ordered another option here. This is the Kia Babies brand. This is an extra small for 0 to 3 months. And the reason why I got this is because I wanted a really quick and easy solution to swaddle baby. Now, this has a bunch of different Velcro things right here that make it super quick and easy. So what you do is you put the baby in here, you put their feet down in there. Now, you actually open this up right here. I can't do it with one hand, but you open it up and this is a Velcro piece right here, okay? So you put their feet in and then you take this piece over here, you wrap them, you tuck it under, and then you go ahead and then this Velcro right here latches very nicely into a piece of fabric that's right here. So then it can stay secure. Now, this is the other part is there's two more Velcro pieces here. You take the baby, you tuck their arms in, and then you tuck that, and then you've swaddled the baby with a Velcro enclosure. Now, I do think it's possible to probably too tightly swaddle the baby, so you just want to kind of make sure that the baby is actually comfortable and maybe give them a little extra breathing room. Don't over tighten the swaddle here because they can't get out of it. It's totally Velcroed in. But the other reason, well, I like this because they can't get out of this. But the second thing is that I can actually change the baby's diaper while still keeping their arms swaddled. And that's really comforting to the baby and makes it really easy for me. So all I do is I just unvelcro this part. I can pull this down and then they can take their little legs out and then I could check their diaper or change their diaper while still being half swaddled. So that's why I really actually like these because it just is just kind of a foolproof way to swaddle a baby without having to re-swaddle it. So I hope this review is helpful for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase both of these options. And also check out my Amazon storefront where I share a whole bunch of other baby gear, homemaking essentials, and cooking tips and tricks. And I hope that you found this review helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.